Cheers, do you want this apple? Yes. Okay, here you go.
Oh, this deer's like, how dare you copy me? And he'll knock Black down.
Oh, I got it all off film.
Did you really?
Yeah.
Shit.
Poppy, no! You put that down. Bad girl, no!
Just showing her how big he is.
He's like a grizzly bear.
Oh, boxers.
At the kids because they're getting the snacks. His head is stuck in the chips.
Where's he get him? Yeah, they're both.
In this hilarious bathroom moment, guess who has the best selfie of the year now?